Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Pantum P2200 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and a properties scroll down and find system type. In a system type, if you find 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. In a system type, if you find 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Pantum printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard and go to the first link. Here we find the pantum.in or Pantum international. Go to any link that you want. I go to the international link. You can go to your local link also. Official website is more imp. I go to this link, okay, with the driver. After that, this link is open and this kind of the web browser interface is appear on your screen. Here we find search by product name. Click at here and type your product name, means model number of your printer. In this case, Pantum P2200. So I type P2200. After that, here we find many options. Don't do anything at this point and click on this search. Click on this search button, click on this search button or enter button on your keyboard. After that, here we find detect operating system. It's detect your operating system Windows 10 and bit is right. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on change to other operating system. If it's not right, then click at here in operating system, select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the plain Windows 10. And if Windows 10 32-bit, okay, here is no 32-bit options, so go with the Windows 10 plain for 32-bit and 64-bit. Click at here and click on the change, and after that here we find our printer name. Okay, it's both support 32-bit and 64-bit. So go to here Pantum P2200 series Windows driver. Here we find another printer. Go to our printer name and here we find the Windows driver. Click on this download and download is started at the top. Wait for few seconds. Download is started. Here we find download is started. It's take few seconds to complete download on our PC or laptop. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on the show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver file, and these printer driver files are actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Wait for a few seconds. It's unzip your files and create a new folder on desktop. Double click on that folder, double click on this folder, and here we find the drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds, close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option and click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find hard disk. Click on hard disk. Go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find Pantum, our newly extracted folder. Double click on that folder, double click on this folder. Here we find printer, double click on the printer. In a printer, here we find the two options. Select any option that you want. Both options are same printer driver. Select any options, any file and click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find many printers. From this all list of printer, find Pantum P2200 P2200 series. It is a series printer. Select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give the Pantum P2200. I give this name Pantum P2200 and click on the next. You can give any name. Click on the next. It's installed in a few seconds to our PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down, and if you find your printer name Pantum P2200, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.